Hi guys! So for today's video, I will show you how I got my first salary as a tutor here in Course Hero. Dito, $26 pa lang kasi may hinantay pa akong dalawang pending questions na hindi pa nababayaran. So pag nakuha ko yun, dun ko na i-withdraw.
The next day.
Ayan, so natanggap ko na yung total na $31. Now, click mo lang tong withdraw money. Makikita nyo agad na PayPal is processing. So, mag-aantay lang kayo within 24 hours na pumasok yung pera sa PayPal account nyo. Punta tayo sa paypal.com para makita kung nandun na yung pera. Minimum of $20 yung pwedeng ma-withdraw dito sa Course Hero. So, login lang kayo gamit yung PayPal email address or phone number nyo. As you can see, meron na akong balance na 1,476 pesos and 7 cents. Sa recent activity, makikita natin na natanggap ko na yung $31 from Course Hero. Ngayon, ita-transfer ko na siya from PayPal to PayMaya. At dahil hindi nakalink yung PayPal account ko sa PayMaya, yung gagawin ko na lang is i-transfer muna from PayPal to GCash and then GCash to PayMaya. Before that, i-convert muna natin yung balance from dollar to peso. I-click lang itong 3 dots, then click Manage Currencies, and then follow nyo lang yung steps na gagawin ko. After converting currencies, open the GCash app and then click Cash In. Dito, may kita agad na nakalink yung PayPal account ko. So, click lang yan. Tapos, enter yung amount na gusto nyong i-transfer from PayPal to GCash. Pwede rin namang i-scroll down and makikita rin yung PayPal sa Global Partners and Remittances. Dito makikita nyo na yung available balance ng PayPal account. So, enter nyo lang yung amount na gusto nyong i-withdraw. Tapos, click Next. So, make sure lang na tama lahat before you click Confirm. So, ayan na. So, cash in is being processed. Balik tayo dun sa homepage ng GCash app. Refresh lang. And then, ayun na. Pumasok na yung 1,400 pesos. I-transfer ko na siya sa PayMaya account ko. Click lang yung Send Money. And then, Send to Bank. Hahanapin mo lang yung PayMaya Philippines Incorporated. So, dito, enter lang yung amount, account name, account number or phone number ng PayMaya at yung email address. Pagkatapos ma-enter lahat ng information, we can now tap Send Money. review all the information and then tap na natin yung confirm. So we have successfully sent the money to PayMaya. Punta tayo sa PayMaya app and then refresh lang para makita natin kung mag-reflect na yung amount na transfer. Ayan, so I have successfully received 1,415 pesos dito sa PayMaya account ko. So mawi-withdraw ko na siya as cash since may PayMaya card ako. And as a review dito sa Course Hero website, I can say that this is very legit and pwede din kayong magturo as a tutor dito sa Course Hero. Just go to coursehero.com. So I will just leave the link in the description box below. So thank you and like and subscribe.